Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim once again. Today you are going to see how I duplicate my Shopify store. So no more talks, let's get started. First of all, of course, you have to make an account on Shopify. And here you can see I am in the back end of this Shopify store and I am going to duplicate this store. And if you don't have any Shopify store yet, please go to my video description and you will get a link, and that link will give you first 3 months $3 per month. So that deal will be awesome for you, and let's go to. So here you can see I am going to make the new store. Okay, so I don't have to pay this first month, for this way I'm going to skip. So I'm going to hit skip button, and here you can see our store is going to ready. So in Shopify, store opening is so easy. I hope anyone can do this. Okay, so here you can see this is my new Shopify store, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you again. So this is create new and just fulfill some email. So if you want, you can pay it here, otherwise you can skip it. And here you can see less than 1 minute you are going to open your store. So congratulations. So now my store is ready and I'm going to duplicate it. But for my case, I already opened 2 stores. Okay, so if I show you the current view of this store, look like this. So this is the current look, and if I go to my running website, so this is my running website and that is my demo website. Okay, so this is the new store, and first of all I just want to rename this store. Okay, so let's for renaming, just we need to go on the setting, and then we need to general, and then my store, and I'm going to give up a name. For my case, I want to pick new store and then save. And here you can see my store, new store, and my old store. So I just want to keep that open and the other one is closed. So for duplicating that store, first of all we need to download our theme. So I'm going to download, and this theme will send it to my email, and of course I will export all the product. So select all the product from my store, so and then I'm going to export that product. So you will not find the export here, it's actually the top right corner, and we'll select export. Okay, so I will pick the all product, and the CSV file is good for me, and now hit download. And this is also will send from Shopify in my email. And here you can see our theme and email, our product is ready. So I'm downloading my theme. So this is 7 megabyte of course, and here it is, and I'm going to give a name. So this is Tadu Token Shopify theme, and then I will go on my new store and I will upload this theme here. Okay, so just import the zip file and select that file that recently I have downloaded. Okay, within short time it will imported because it's 7 MB file, and it will take you few seconds for installing the theme. Okay, so in this time I will go to my email again and I will download my all the product. Okay, so go to email and then download all the products. Okay, so here you can see my product is downloaded, and then I will go to my sheet and give the name, of course, all the product, and yes, our theme is now downloaded, and we need to publish it and then check it. And here you can see our theme is successfully installed, but it's look not good because we need some customization. But for customizing product, of course we need product in our store, so that's why I am exporting all the product. Okay, so we are upload Shopify theme, that CSV file we have downloaded. Just we need to find that link. Okay, here it is, I believe. Yes, that's it. Okay, now publish and upload. So all the product will upload soon. It's processing, but I want to check it. So if I go on the catalog, and here it is, the product is already started to upload it. So it's look good now, but the home page is not good because it's newly we have imported, and it's required some customization. So from our old store we will download our homepage main images, and you can see I am downloaded, and we are going to upload the same image to our new theme. Okay, so first of all go to online store and then customize that theme, and select the home page photo and select the file that you have downloaded. So that is, it's processing, and here it is. So it's now look good. So for this case, if I go to reload, and you can see this is uploaded, and this all the section will fulfill, just need to make the catalog, and then we will connect our domain. So first of all we have to go our old store and disconnect and delete all the domain sections. Okay, so this domain actually my main domain, and I am going to delete it from my old store. Okay, so this deleted, and I also delete this one as a primary and delete that one, and I will go to my new store and we'll go on the settings and find domain, and then connect domain. Just connect existing domain and input my domain, and it will connect soon because we have connected it on my previous domain. Okay, so it will take few seconds, then it will activate. Now it's time to pick a plan, because without plan our store will not activate. So when we will pick a plan, we can remove the password from our store, because now it's password protected. Okay, so you can see this is password we are not able to remove, but before that we need to add our business address, of course. So business address I will pick random. So for my case, name, first name, and the city is Joshua, Bangladesh, and phone number. So I am searching that one, and this is the postal code, and the phone number I will pick, of course, a demi phone number, and that it will loaded, and we are remove password protected, and then our domain is also connected. Now it's time to check, and here it is, our store is now live. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribe to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.